Welcome, everyone, and thank you for joining. My name is Kat, and I will be moderating today's session. I would like to begin by acknowledging the ancestral territory of all the Inuit, Métis, and First Nations people that call this land home. We recognize the historic and ongoing impacts of colonization and are committed to decolonization of our systems and ongoing reconciliation. I am located in Kingston, Ontario, which is the traditional territory of the Anishinaabe, Haudenosaunee, and Huron-Wendat, whose presence on this land continues to this day. This session is HCH1, Adapting the FASD Assessment Process to Provide Best Care to Those Experiencing Homelessness. Following the presentation, there will be a live Q&A period. You are invited to submit your questions for the presenters via the Q&A feature on your screen. It is my pleasure to introduce today's presenters. Samantha Lowe is the Director of Health and Wellness at the Mustard Seed, a registered occupational therapist and a sessional instructor at the University of Alberta. She previously worked in Ontario on the Tyendinaga Mohawk Territory, in Bangladesh as a CIDA consultant training healthcare workers on disability, and with the School of Psychiatry at Queen's University with those experiencing developmental disabilities. She was a recipient of the 2021 CAOT Fieldwork Educator Award of Excellence and a founder of the Occupational Therapists for Social Justice Network. Laura Campbell is the Manager of Health and Wellness at the Mustard Seed. She is a registered occupational therapist in the province of Alberta with a Master of Science. Her clinical practice experience includes neurosurgery and community practice in vulnerable populations with a focus on functional cognitive assessment. Laura was instrumental in the development and leadership of an isolation unit for those experiencing homelessness during the COVID-19 pandemic. Erin Barrett is the FASD Clinic Coordinator at the Mustard Seeds Wellness Center. She is a licensed practical nurse with experience in orthopedics, FASD, and most recently, the role of clinical team lead in the Mustard Seeds COVID-19 isolation unit. Erin is also the lead of the student-run clinic. Thank you to all of our presenters today, and please enjoy the session.